almost fell.
When she comes at you like that, run. Alright, well first we are going to try to get in here somehow because we got a belt to change and some radiator hoses and flush the coolant system. So we may have a problem with our radiator. It may be leaking. So this is the intercooler. Intercooler's job is to cool the air that is compressed by your turbocharger. So it looks an awful lot like a radiator, but this is typically mounted in front of your radiator, so when you look through your grill, this is mostly what you're looking at. Behind that is the radiator. So this actually cools your engine. It uses engine coolant to circulate through the engine and back through here, and it creates the cooling process. As you can notice, it looks like there's a little dampness stained along the front of this. Well, we discovered that's where we're losing a little bit of our coolant. So thanks to Amazon, we have one on the way, and we should have it next week. Babe, can I get your hand? Maybe I put these on upside down, but I could have swore I double checked them. There's white paint down at the bottom on both of these, and the white paint's up here. I could have sworn I picked that one. So it's almost like this side's upside down, but this side can't be upside down.
Babe.
Huh?
It's upside down. This.
Look, we got one right here.
Which, when you flip over, will be on top.
Okay.
It's upside down.
Babe, I just swapped these and it looks like I went the wrong. It looks like it's still upside down. on this side, laid it over there, grab this one and move it over here, and see how this is gapped and that's tight. That's the problem we had. Because I couldn't get it to recess because it was hitting.
Can you try it for just a second with just one side on it? See if it lines up.
When I put this side back over here, it's right. But
This is the bottom.
But I just pulled this from that side and put it over here.
Where's the little lighty thing?
I'm going to put this through first and we'll hold it in place. Does it matter which side this goes on? It's on both sides. But it's bigger on this side. That's the bottom. That's facing in.
Do you want to turn it up the right way?
It's going to go that way. So the nuts need to be on that side.
Do you like how I use the technical term where's the little lighty thing?
The lighty thing? Well, see, ours doesn't have this on there, and I guess that's what was throwing me off. I thought that was the spout.
It's okay that I'm right.
Babe!
Yes.
That one's not even right because the bottom is still the part.
Well, that's because it's on the wrong way.
But this is no, that's on right. That's on right because it recesses. This one's flipped upside down. Son of a 3 times. 3 times. Once your radiator brackets are finally mounted properly, you can then install your new radiator. You also need to reconnect all hoses and fill with antifreeze. A tip to refilling the radiator is once you turn your jug upside down, cut a hole in the bottom of it to allow the fluid to more quickly escape. After your radiator is installed and filled, check for leaks. If none are found, you may then move forward with reinstalling the intercooler, including all hose connections. Removing and installing your intercooler and radiator is definitely a 2-person job. Once completed successfully, be sure to give your helper a big kiss. Please let us know you enjoyed this video by giving us a like. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe. We appreciate every one of you. Also, ring the bell to get notified when we release new videos.